All right, hey everybody. Welcome to Working Wednesday. I am Caroline Cole, if we have not met here before. And today we are talking about mouth noise. Every voiceover artist's favorite thing. If you are unsure what mouth noise is, well then lucky you. Let me explain. Mouth noise is that nice little tongue click or just too much moisture in the back of your throat, making that really wet, gross, lovely sound in your recordings. So, we are talking about mouth noise today because we are about to embark upon spring, and those of us who suffer from spring allergies have a little bit harder time with mouth noise during these months because we have a lot of drainage or we are taking pills like allergy pills, and most of those allergy pills tend to dry you out, which also causes mouth noise. So it's like, if you have too much drainage, you get mouth noise. If you have too little drainage because it's so dry, then you have mouth noise. So we're going to try to meet in the middle, and today we're going to talk about 4 things you can do to banish that mouth noise. So, let's go.
Always read every single piece of information an author gives regarding their audition. Character notes, read all audition notes. Always read every single piece of information an author gives regarding their audition. Character notes, regarding their audition. Character notes, backstory, any accent? Any accent?
All right, there we go. That's 4 ways to minimize mouth noise. You now know to drink lots of water before, during, and after your recording. Eat something like an apple that will help give you the right amount of moisture in your mouth, as gross and as weird as that sounds. 3, bring the gain down just a little bit to help minimize that mouth noise if you still have some in the recording. And 4, go in for the particularly bad ones and just kind of clip them out. Zoom right on in, find the problem, get rid of it. All right, good luck making it through allergy season, everyone. I'll see you soon. Bye.